In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to the platform or simply want to customize your settings for your personal preferences, this guide will walk you through the steps to make your experience as seamless and personalized as possible. First, let's get started by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer. Ensure you are logged into the app to access the settings needed. Once you're in Microsoft Teams, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll notice your profile picture or initials displayed there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you're going to select Settings, which will open a new window dedicated to various customization options. In the Settings window, you'll find several categories on the sidebar. What you're looking for is the General tab, which is usually the first option. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you should see a section dedicated to language and region settings. This is where you can alter not just the language Microsoft Teams displays but also the date format it uses. Scroll down to locate the region settings. This might seem straightforward, but it's crucial to understand what options are available here as well. Within the region settings, there is a drop-down menu that allows you to select your preferred region. Changing your region can alter both the time and date format to match regional norms. For example, if you prefer the day-month-year format, typically used in Europe, you will want to select a European country. Alternatively, if you prefer the month-day-year format, common in the United States, select the United States or a region that follows this format. Once you've made your selection, the changes are almost instant. However, to ensure the new settings take full effect, it's a good practice to restart Microsoft Teams. Close the app completely, then reopen it. This ensures the settings are applied across your profile and any discrepancies are resolved. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure that your date format in Microsoft Teams aligns with the format you use in other apps for the best experience. To wrap things up, if you ever need to change the date format back or experiment with different regional settings, you can follow these same steps. Exploring and customizing your Microsoft Teams environment not only makes your workflow more efficient but also enhances comfort and usability. Feel free to explore other options within the settings to tailor the application to your liking even further. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy your customized Microsoft Teams experience. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on making the most of your tech tools.